Dog vs. Cat by Chris Gale, retold by Madison in room 205. One day, Mr. Button went to the pet store to pick out a dog. Then Mrs. Button went to a shelter all the way across town to pick out a cat. And so dog and cat moved in together. Dog and cat have totally different personalities. They don't get along quite nicely. One of them had to go. They couldn't agree on anything, so Dog and Cat built a wall out of toys and books. Dog and Cat are beginning to remember all the fun times they had together. So they built a door. Then one day they heard a terrible noise. They decided to block the door with all their books and toys. But it didn't work. Then Mr. and Mrs. Button brought in a cage. What's in the mysterious cage? Read the book Dog vs. Cat to find out.